So this is one of my favorite songs. This is the Firetruck song. So there's a couple of actions that we have to do. So we're gonna say, hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck at first. So you gotta pretend like you're driving, right? And we're gonna go like this, okay? And then at the end we go, ding, 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 ding. Because on the fire trucks, the old ones, there used to be a bell and there was a thing that hung down and you would ring it and it would ring, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drive the fire truck. Then we have to turn the corner. So you gotta act like you're moving to the side and you're gonna fall over. And then we have to climb the ladder. So we pretend like we're climbing the ladder because we're at the fire now. And then we have to take our hose and we have to squirt the water, okay? And we put out the fire then. So then we have to get back in the fire truck and we have to go slowly, slowly back to the station. Okay, so let's try it, right? Remember, the first thing we have to do is drive. Ready? So get your hands on the steering wheel. Get ready. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, now we got to turn the corner. Get ready. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, now we have to climb the ladder. We're at the fire. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, now we have to get our hose out. Ready? Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Ding, 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 ding. The fire's all out. Get back in the truck. Ready? Slowly, slowly back to the station. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Ding, 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 ding. Great job, guys. Well, there's a couple of different ways you could do that too. So as you do it, you could be running around like you're driving the fire truck all over the place, or you could just sit down and sing it that way. You could do it any way you want, because when you're doing that, you could just move around. How cool is that? See you later.